Hello friends and family, I welcome you all back to my channel. My name is Mabel from Ghana. This is what I normally use to cure cough, catarrh and cold. So these are the ingredients: ginger, garlic, negro pepper, cloves and suruisa. So in doing it, first of all, you peel the ginger and the garlic. So after peeling the ginger and the garlic, we'll wash everything together before we grind. So here I was grinding the cloves, the suruisa, the negro pepper together. So here you can see me grinding it. Please, you can use your blender. Here in this video I was using my grinding stone. You can use your blender to do it. So you grind it very well before adding the ginger and the garlic to it and grind everything together. So after grinding everything together, you use your strainer to strain the mixture. As you can see, I'm doing it in the video. You strain everything. So this is what I have after straining it. Yes, this is the result of it. So here I'll keep it in my plastic bottle and go and put it in the fridge. I put it in the fridge because anytime I put it in the fridge, it can last for about 2 weeks. And trust me, this is very effective to me. Yes, anytime I'm having cough, catarrh, cold, name it, and I take this, in fact, within 3 days, everything will be cleared off. Yes, it's very effective for me. So anytime I'm taking it, I take it warm. Yes, I don't take it cold. Even though I keep it in my refrigerator, anytime I want to take it, I'll warm it and add a little honey to it before taking it. And I've been giving some to my kids anytime they have catarrh, and it's very effective for them too. For us to take. We have some number of police stations here in my constituency. But let me try and give some of the constituency. It's not supposed to be hot. It has to be warm. So here we are just warming it.
We show mommy bottles.
So now that we have finished heating it, I will add about 1 tablespoon of honey to it. The honey should always be to your taste. So you can see I'm adding honey to it to make it tasty, so that I'll take it. And the kids too have been taking it, so anytime I'm giving to them, I always add honey to it so that they'll be able to take it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also share to friends and family. Please don't also forget to hit that notification bell so that you'll be among the first to be notified anytime I upload a video. Thank you for watching. Bye.